So the CD we've got today is Idol adjacent. So back when they first debuted, the band AOA, Ace of Angels, also had a dual concept. One where there was the standard K-pop idols, singing and dancing, but another one where they were also a band playing instruments. And the drummer that they had there was Youkyung, and after AOA stopped doing the AOA Black band thing and just went straight idols, she left because she was really there as a musician rather than the standard idol type mold. But in the years since, I'm not quite sure what else professionally she's been doing, but then I found her on YouTube where she's been doing drum covers of K-pop songs under the channel Use Drum, spelled YOU''S drum. And middle of last year, she came out with original songs and has 3 of them on the CD called Connect. One really unfortunate thing is this misspelling of her name here on the album, where the Y is transposed with the U. It is correct elsewhere on the album, though, like in the copyright parts. So here's your cover. She colored her hair, and it's got this little, this is her logo here, Youkyung. The fandom name is Universe. So this seems sort of galactic inspired. Got a little apricot spine here. And here's the back. This CD has 3 songs on it: Connect, Out of My Mind, and Universe. So let's open her up. I thought this was a really interesting thing because even established idols, especially like soloists, often still put out their singles digitally only without an actual physical album. So this is really cool that she has a physical album that you're able to hold in your hands. So there's the cover. Open up here. We've got credits, a couple little pictures. So here's one of the songs, Out of My Mind. We got a photo here with a drum. Then let's see. On this first page, you've got your credits. I'm sorry I can't read Hangul, so I don't know what any of these say. Here you've got lyrics. So it looks like the first song, Connect, doesn't really have anything, but then the other 2 songs do. Here's your CD. Looks like it's got a denim print on it. And then in the middle behind it is Universe. So I'm guessing each of these 3 photos represents or fits with one of the songs. So there's Connect, which is track 1, track 2, Out of My Mind, and track 3, Universe. Yep. Especially in this day and age of everything being available immediately through online digital streaming, through things like YouTube and Spotify and that kind of thing. I think it really is special that we still have, or that anything that you can actually hold in your hands as a tangible object is a really special thing. And for someone who broke off from one of the bigger name idol groups of the previous generation and started her own thing, not even as a singer, but as a drummer, that's particularly cool to come out of that niche and put out something like this.